Hi everybody and welcome back to the Hardware Info channel. In today's video I'm going to tell you how you can easily install and set up the application for your Creative Pebble Nova speaker on your iPhone. First we need to open App Store, and here we have to enter search. In the search bar, wait a moment, we have to, oh goodness, in the search bar we have to search for the Creative and search. It's this one from Creative Labs Pte Ltd. Here you'll have the get button. You have to tap this get button and authorize yourself using the Apple ID password or Touch ID or Face ID. Now, once your app is downloaded, we have to tap open and tap allow. Allow, tap this X button here, and now here we have our device. Goodbye!